Good morning.
Very good morning.
I am Sivaramakrishna Pawan Kalyan. Now I am telling about a person. He is Ruben. He is my friend. He was not my friend. He was a stranger to me. He will not be stranger to me. He will be my best friend. He is intermediate student. He was not intermediate student. He was 10th student. He will not be 10th student. He will be BTech student. He is good person. He was not be good person. He was cute boy. He will not be cute boy. He will be good person. He is in Nellore. He was not in Nellore. He was in Vijayawada. He will not be in Vijayawada. He will be in Nellore. He is listening my words. He was not listening my words. He was seeing mobile. He will not be seeing mobile. He will be sleeping. Thank you.